If you have been trying to get answers to certain questions in your life, there are aspects of your life which I clearly see are uncertain, and you want answers to it as soon as possible. Maybe you have done some kind of manifestation and you're waiting. When is this manifestation go and come into reality? So the spirit, the guides, your higher self wants you to just relax, take a deep breath in and out, and trust them. They only want you to trust them. The more you're thinking about that thing which is uncertain, that thing which have not come into fruition, you are exhausting yourself. You are actually pushing that manifestation away from you. At this time, let's say for example, you want a job, you want a dream job, but at the same time you have a concern, a fear within you that you might have to quit this job, you might have to be leaving this old job or your own home, and you have to settle somewhere out. But this is the thing which your spirit guide wants you to do. Change is the only thing that is inevitable in your life at this time. If you're too holding on to something old and you at the same time want to bring some kind of new beginning or new opportunities in your life, you have to leave the old one. You have to leave your old job. And for leaving your old job, maybe they might terminate you, maybe you might have to move to a different city. Anything and everything is possible. Let the universe bring all its force and arrange things for you, but you have to be open and flexible enough to let go of something which is holding you off if you want your manifestation to come true. And that is the biggest reason your manifestation are getting delayed. Okay, so to get something in your life, change is imperative. Let the change be painful. You have to absorb the change. You have to absorb the pain which is associated with the change. Otherwise, your manifestation is not going to come true. And when it does come true, I'm pretty sure you're going to be overexcited, over happy, over the top of the cloud. But yes, at this time, let the change take place. Suck up all the things, all the emotions, all the uncertainties that is going on within you. Remember, even when a child is given birth, the pain, the hormonal issues, the anxiety, the emotions that a mother undergoes is also too much pain. But when the same mother sees the baby in her arms, she's just filled with overwhelming love and joy. And that's the same thing for you. Change is inevitable. Don't try to escape it. Don't think too much about the things which are uncertain. There are things that universe are doing at the back end, and you will get to know it all when the right time comes. So don't just be spending your energy and draining your emotions by constantly thinking about that unknown thing or the unknown, or when your manifestation is going to come true. So if you're spending too much thought, you are actually, sending too much of negative emotions, and that is actually restricting your manifestation to come and align in your life. Also, another thing what I see is that it's also time for you to spend time with your kids. Okay, so if you have a kids, just spend time with them. They need your attention, they need your guidance. This is also another thing which I see. If you don't have kids, just go deep within you and understand what your inner child is doing. Anything that makes you feel joyful and happy, just indulge in all those activities. It could be going to a spa, it could be visiting a friend, it could be just having a sip of coffee in the late afternoon. Do anything that makes you, your soul happy. Importantly, if I also see is that there is some kind of issues or confrontation which you might have to handle in your home. So for that, you're the person, you have to step up your role and address that situation. So when you peep in, and the situations or the people who were resisting and who were trying to escape or not confront the situation, but within themselves they were boiling down some hard emotions, they are going to understand you are going to play a pivotal role in handling any kind of family issues which you're trying to escape as of now. Okay, so this is the guidance what I get from the spiritual world. I hope you found it helpful. For more, you can like and subscribe now. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.